Viewers, welcome back. You're with Times Now. This is the story that has not been told so far. The Bengal government is once again in the headlines over the hefty allocation of funds for madrasas. The latest budget has significantly increased funding for madrasa education. This year, 5,530 crore has been set aside for minority affairs and madrasa education. Viewers, you will be surprised to know that the budget for minority affairs and madrasa education is twice the budget for mass education and library, electronics and IT, small-scale industry and North Bengal Development Fund combined. BJP has slammed the Mamata Banerjee government and branded this move as that of appeasement politics and blatant misuse of taxpayers' money. The TMC has dismissed all the charges of the BJP and claimed that the government looks after all sections of the society.
ये स्यूडो नैरेटिव है। ममता बनर्जी कोई डिविसिव डेवलपमेंट नहीं करती है। ममता बनर्जी हर एक कास्ट के लिए, हर एक क्रीड, हर एक रिलीजन के लिए, हर एक सेक्टर के लिए डेवलपमेंटल एक्टिविटी करती है और जहां पर जो चाहिए होता है ममता बनर्जी सबके लिए करती है। ये एक स्यूडो नैरेटिव करने का कोशिश किया जा रहा है। डिविसिव पॉलिटिक्स और डिविसिव डेवलपमेंट ममता बनर्जी नहीं करती है।
Let me bring in Atrija, who's joining us, our colleague who will help us break this down. Atrija, this happened on in February 8 to be precise. Now, there is a controversy over the fine print, the details of the budget.
Well, absolutely. You see, the details of the budget is where the controversy is coming out, and the BJP and the coming up here in West Bengal and slamming the West Bengal government once again for nothing but appeasement politics, where now the budget allocation, if you look at the budget allocation of the financial year 2024-2025, 5530, that is 5,530 crore rupees have been allocated for madrasa education, and which is a lot more even if we compare from the year 2011 when the TMC government came to power for the first time. The budget allocation for this particular sector was approximately around 524 crores, but from there it has reached today to 5,530 crores, which in fact is way higher than various other sectors, various other important sectors of the West Bengal government, which includes, for example, the educational library budget, which is only 404 crores, the IT, electronics and IT budget, which is only 104 crores, the small scale industry factory budget, which is only 126 to 1,262 crores, and the North Bengal development budget, which is only 861 crores. So you see, the madrasa education sector, madrasa development education sector and minority education centers have been allocated a huge sum of amount, at least in this present financial year, and therefore nothing but once again politics has broken out, where now the BJP coming out and slamming the Mamata Banerjee government for nothing but appeasement politics.
Okay, stay with us. Here's what the BJP has been saying. The BJP believes this is nothing but minority appeasement.
This is the impact of cap politics. Cap meaning competitive appeasement politics. In the name of competitive appeasement politics, it would not be inappropriate to say that TMC not only means Talibani mansikta and culture, it also means Tushtikaran Mujhe Chahiye. And in this Tushtikaran Mujhe Chahiye, from opposing Jai Shri Ram, opposing Durga Puja Visarjan, to going all out in appeasement politics, has been the recurring theme of the TMC government in West Bengal.
Let's bring in Amit Malviya of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Mr. Malviya, good evening. Thank you for speaking to us. The budget was announced in February 8 to be precise. And look at what the fine print tells us. 5,530 crores budget for madrasa education. In fact, let's quickly play out what Rahul Sinha has said.
देखिए, ये ममता बनर्जी का सरकार ये पूरा कम्युनल सरकार है। ये तुष्टीकरण का राजनीति इतना तेज से कर रहा है, जो सारे धन मद्रासा को दे दिया और सारे शिक्षा को मिलाने के बाद भी मद्रासा ज्यादा है। तो इसीलिए देखिए, मद्रासा में शिक्षा हो ये तो मोदी जी चाहते हैं। मदरसा का आधुनिकीकरण का कारण मोदी जी के ने बहुत कदम उठाया, लेकिन ममता बनर्जी जो कर रहा है वो जो राज्य सरकार का लोगों का टैक्स का पैसा उसका दुरुपयोग कर रहा है।
Atrija is with us. Atrija, the BJP is calling out. In fact, let me bring in Mr. Malviya very quickly. Mr. Malviya, what do you make of this? Over 5,000 crores allocated for the year 2024-25.
This sum of money is not for the upliftment or empowerment of the Muslim community. It is purely to buy the Muslim vote. West Bengal has the highest percentage of impoverished Muslims. They are the poorest amongst all Muslims in the country. And for the records, there has never been a BJP government in West Bengal. So the parties like Congress, Communist, and now the TMC are responsible for their plight. Maximum number of girl child drop out in the Muslim community in Bengal. Highest number of child marriages in Muslim community happens in Bengal. Highest number of people in casual labor come from West Bengal and are from the Muslim community. Least number of people in formal jobs from the Muslim community is in West Bengal. So Mamata Banerjee, in her last almost 12-13 years, has literally done nothing for the Muslim community except hand them out these lollipops. This money will go to people who will help her buy votes and not do anything to empower the community. That is what this money is for winning elections.
Now, Mr. Malviya, when we ask this question of the TMC, they would have us believe that this is for development and upliftment for all sections of society.
This is certainly not for any development, not even for the Muslim community. Like I said, this money is rooted through the henchmen who control the Muslim vote and ensure that they vote for the TMC. Likes of Sheikh Shah Jahan and others are the ones who get maximum out of this allocation. They are the ones who subjugate the Muslim community and ensure they vote for the Trinamool Congress so that Mamata Banerjee continues to be in power. It is as simple as that.
Okay. Mr. Malviya, thank you for your views. Let's see how the TMC responds to what you've said, that this money will be used to buy votes for the minority community. Atrija, how is the TMC responding to this controversy?
Well, you see what the TMC is coming out and saying that TMC is a party that does not believe in divisive politics, and therefore they are saying that under Mamata Banerjee government, under Mamata Banerjee herself, the entire budget and the amounts that has been allocated to different sectors is on the basis of what each sector needs. So what the TMC here is trying to mention that because madrasa and other minority education centers need more development, more infrastructural development and more development in terms of modern courses being taught in these places, therefore more budget has been allocated to this particular sector to ensure that proper development is made up in these madrasas, and therefore such a huge amount of 5,000 crore rupees have been allocated to this particular sector. However, what the TMC also says that they do not believe in really dividing people on the basis of religion. Therefore, it has not been done because it is a Muslim community or a minority community, but it has been done only on the basis of need. That is what the TMC is saying here.
Now, let's quickly read out the amount that we are talking about. For minority affairs and madrasa education, the amount mentioned in the budget document is 5,005. The document is on your screen, viewers. Look at point number 29, minority affairs and madrasa education. 5,530 crores. This is for the year 2024-2025. If you see point number 28, budget for micro, small and medium enterprises, MSME and textiles, that is 1,262 crores. Look at the next point on top of that, point number 27. The budget allocated for mass education extension and library services is 404 crores. For law, the budget allocation is 20 crores. For land and land reforms, refuge relief and rehabilitation, the budget is 1,498 crores. For labor, it is 1,188 crores. Even for judicial services, it is 1,466 crores. But the last point the BJP says is an example of the brand of politics practiced by Mamata Banerjee. Atrija.
Well, absolutely. You see, this is where the BJP is coming in and, slamming the Mamata Banerjee government, saying that it is nothing but just an appeasement politics on the side of the TMC, because that is what, the TMC does. They try to play nice in eyes of the minority community, but actually doesn't put any effort to their actual development. What even the BJP spokesperson Rahul Sinha have mentioned that, this is nothing but just an appeasement politics, because even Narendra Modi wants madrasa education and to be developed. There should be proper infrastructural development and upgrading in the courses that are taught there. But Mamata Banerjee is only allocating more money, and it is nothing but just to be nice in the eyes of the Muslim community or the minority communities in general. And therefore, such a huge amount, at least in the financial year of 2024 and 2025, have been allocated to the minority, education development sector, and which in fact is much higher as compared to several other sectors, as I was saying before. Something like education and library, even IT sectors have much less budget allocation at this financial year as compared to this particular madrasa section, which is very, it catches your eyes when you
Right,
go through
Atrija,
the
let's see how this
entire
story unfolds. Thank you for getting us the reactions on this, viewers.